Hi guys, I'm going to show you one more time how to make your own copy of an assignment document. So let's say you need your own copy of our tracking sheet. You need to go to File and Make a Copy. Once you click on that, this little box will come up, and instead of saying copy of, you're going to put your last name. So I'll put my last name here. And then save it to your English folder. And there you go. Now you have a copy of the assignment that you can edit. Okay, so remember, instead of asking for editing privileges on a file that's attached to an assignment, if you aren't given one of your own, go to File, Make a Copy. Okay, nice and easy.